How to grow Gypsophila flowers. Gypsophila, more commonly known as baby's breath, blooms in late spring and continues through the summer. The small massed flowers come in white, purple and pink, and the species includes annual or perennial Gypsophila. A perennial is hardy in U.S. Department of Agriculture Plant Hardiness zones 3 through 9, while annual Gypsophila is hardy in zones 2 through 10. This plant can grow to heights of 3 feet with a spread of 10 inches. Gypsophila is an easy and delicate flower for the beginning gardener to grow. The flowers are often cut and used for floral arrangements. Things you will need: tiller or garden fork, compost, rake, dry, general all-purpose fertilizer, trowel, mulch. Find a sunny location to plant the Gypsophila. Till or dig up the soil with a garden fork to a depth of 12 inches. Amend the soil with 3 inches of compost. Remove any rocks, sticks or dirt clods that you find. Level the soil with the back of a garden rake. Add a dry, general all-purpose fertilizer to the soil before planting. Apply the fertilizer according to labeled directions. Dig holes with the trowel that are slightly wider than the root ball, but keep the planting depth the same as the root ball. Space the holes 18 inches apart. Insert the root ball into the planting hole and fill in the hole with amended soil. Firm the soil in place with your hands. Do not bury the root ball any deeper than it was originally growing. Water the Gypsophila until the soil is moist. Keep the soil moist throughout the growing season, but allow the soil to dry out a bit between waterings. Lay a 3-inch layer of mulch around the plants. Mulch keeps the weeds from growing and it helps the soil retain moisture. Deadhead the spent flowers to encourage new growth. Feed the Gypsophila once a month during the active growing months. Use an organic all-purpose fertilizer.